Hello students, now this is a structure of electron dot structure of methane molecule having carbon and carbon attached with 4 hydrogen atom and hydrogen having in the form of cross and carbon having in the form of dot. Therefore 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot and 4 dot. It is a atomic number in this carbon having atomic number 6 and electronic configuration 2, 4. 4 is a valence electron of carbon, then it sharing with 4 hydrogen give 1 electron. There are total number of valence electron 8 in CH4 molecule and formation of covalent bond between this carbon and hydrogen. This is the electron dot structure. Students, hydrogen in the form of cross and carbon in the form of dot. Just you alternate this cross with dot, no problem about. It is a structure of methane molecule. And now this dot and cross to form a single bond, 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 formation of 4 covalent bond. Now similar example, ethane molecule means CH3, single bond CH3, in that carbon with carbon, the carbon valency 4, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. Another carbon having also 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. In this now dot and dot to form a single bond between the carbon single bond. It is an example of alkane. Now each carbon having 3 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen in the form of cross structure and formation of sigma bond. This is a CH3 and CH3, means it is a structure of ethane. Ethane having 2 carbon and total number of hydrogen 6. In that also presence of covalent bond. It is a structure of ethane molecule. In this there are tetrahedron structure because there are 4 corner. Therefore tetrahedron structure and their bond angle is 109 degree 50 minutes, 109.5 degree. Directly also write this way. In this carbon arranged in a hydrogen present on a 4 corner, therefore it having tetrahedral geometry. All alkanes compound having tetrahedral geometry and bond angle 109 degree 50 minutes. Now structure of ethane molecule which having presence of carbon double bond. Therefore 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot and 4 dot. Another carbon, suppose 1 carbon having 4 dot because valency of carbon 4 and number of hydrogen 1, 2, 3 and 4. This middle carbon which having presence of double bond, dot and dot to form a single bond, another dot and dot to form a single bond. It is an example of unsaturated compound, and this is a dot and cross to form a single bond, dot and cross to form a single bond. In this there are unsaturated compound which having presence of covalent bond. In alkene having also covalent bond, alkynes also presence of covalent bond. This is a electronic dot structure of ethane molecule. Carbon present in the form of dot and hydrogen present in the form of cross. Now students, preparation of methane. In preparation of methane from iodomethane or methyl iodide. This methane means CH4, it is prepared from methyl iodide. When methyl iodide is reduced which are reduced. Reduced means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen in presence of zinc, Zn dust. It gives CH4, methane, and byproduct Hi. Now this reaction, suppose methyl iodide react with nascent hydrogen in presence of Zn dust or zinc powder with dilute HCl in presence of Zn dust or zinc powder. In that there are total 2 hydrogen, one hydrogen with I, then Hi is byproduct, and another one hydrogen attached with CH3, then it gives CH4, formation of CH4. There are 2 hydrogen, one hydrogen with I, then Hi byproduct, and one hydrogen attached with CH3, and formation of CH4 by using Zn zinc powder, and dilute HCl as a catalyst to give methane. Methane means it is a preparation of alkane, in that preparation of methane and ethane. Then by using another preparation of ethane by using zinc powder and dilute HCl, when bromoethane means ethyl bromide. This is a ethyl bromide which having nascent hydrogen 2, one hydrogen with Br, then SBr byproduct, and one hydrogen attached to CH2, then formation of CH3 single bond CH3. It is a formation of ethane. Look this reaction, one hydrogen with HBr byproduct and one hydrogen attached to CH2 means CH3CH2 means C2H5 with it convert into C2H6. C2H6 means it is a ethane molecule. Next, preparation of ethane. Ethane means alkane compound from alkyl halide. Alkyl means RX. We use as a methyl iodide. This methane cannot prepare from Wurtz reaction. Only we prepare ethane, propane, butane. Methane cannot prepare from Wurtz reaction, because when alkyl halide react with sodium metal, it gives higher product, higher alkane. Then this is known as a Wurtz reaction. When we are using methyl iodide as a 2 times, it react with sodium metal as a 2 times. In that there are 2 Na, it attached with first iodine and second iodine, then byproduct 2 NaI. Sodium iodide 2 times as a byproduct. This methyl attached with another methyl, therefore formation of ethane. This is a Wurtz reaction when 2 molecules of methyl iodide react with sodium metal to give ethane. This is known as a Wurtz reaction. It is used for preparation of higher alkane in presence of dry ether as a catalyst. The students methyl iodide 2 times लेंगे, it react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives ethane. Students, look this reaction on the screen. Methyl iodide plus methyl iodide in presence of sodium metal react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to give ethane. Next, formation of methane from aluminum carbide. When aluminum carbide react with water, it gives methane. In this, water means addition of water means H and OH. There are total 12 times. In aluminum carbide having Al4C3, this balance by using CH4. It obtains CH4. CH4 means methane. In this carbon it is a 3 times and aluminum valency is +3, therefore AlCl3, sorry AlOH thrice, AlOH thrice, aluminum hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, AlOH thrice. Then aluminum in the there are total 4, therefore 4 times. Therefore we use, when aluminum carbide react with 12 molecules of water, it gives methane molecule and 4 molecules of aluminum hydroxide as a byproduct. This is a method for preparation of methane gas, methane. First we discuss the methane formation. When methyl iodide react with hydrogen or it reduced by Nessen hydrogen in presence of zinc powder and dilute HCl, it gives methane. When bromoethane which on reduced by using zinc powder with HCl to give ethane. Next, second, when aluminum carbide which on hydrolysis means addition of water 12 times to give CH4 molecules, CH4 and aluminum hydroxide as a byproduct. Third, Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction, when 2 molecules of methyl iodide or methyl bromide, we also use as a CH3Br plus CH3Br in presence of sodium, dry ether, react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In that Na is 2 times NaBr as a byproduct and CH3 attached with another CH3, formation of ethane. Students, we discuss the preparation of methane and ethane. Now their reaction. In this substitution reaction, one atom replaced by another atoms. Suppose methane which on react with chlorine, Cl2, chlorine having 2 Cl, 1 Cl attached with hydrogen and 1 Cl attached with methyl to give methyl chloride and HCl as a byproduct. Now this structure CH4 molecule, carbon, there are total 4 hydrogen, react with Cl2, there are 2 Cl, Cl and Cl, single bond, 1 Cl depart means HCl byproduct, 1 Cl attached to carbon atom, then formation of CH3Cl. This is a substitution reaction, one atom replaced by another atom without elimination, one atom replaced by another atom, hydrogen replaced by Cl and HCl as a byproduct, and formation of methyl chloride as a product, methyl chloride. Similar example. Now methyl chloride, its name, IUPAC's name chloromethane, again react with Cl2, there are 2 Cl2, 1 Cl replace, then HCl as a byproduct and 1 Cl attached to carbon, then it give product CH2Cl2. It is a second step, further reaction and formation of dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. There are 2 chlorine, therefore its name dichloromethane. Now another next step, also same, there are CH2Cl2, again it react with, in every step number of hydrogen replaced by number of chlorine. तो जैसे हाइड्रोजन कम करते जाओगे तो वैसे ही क्लोरीन क्या इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे. In this also one hydrogen replaced by Cl, therefore by product HCl and it gave product CHCl3. Similar in last step also one hydrogen replaced by Cl, then by product HCl and formation of CCl4. CCl4 name carbon tetrachloride. There are total 4 Cl, therefore its name carbon tetrachloride. In every step one hydrogen replaced by Cl and formation in first product methyl chloride. Methyl chloride again react with Cl2, it gives dichloromethane, dichloromethane, and dichloromethane again react with Cl2, it gives chloroform. It is another name IUPAC trichloromethane, and again trichloromethane means chloroform, again react with Cl2, it gives carbon tetrachloride. Now similar kind of example, ethane react with Cl2, it give ethyl chloride or chloroethane, one hydrogen replaced by Cl. Another same chloroethane react with Cl2, then again hydrogen replaced by Cl, dichloroethane. This is a number of step. Students, write down in your books this reaction. Write down this all reaction. This is a substitution reaction. Number of hydrogen replaced by number of chlorine atom. Number of hydrogen replaced by number of chlorine atom. Next, combustion of methane. When supply of oxygen means combustion, it burn, it produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. When methane gas oxidation means in by supply means combustion with supply of air, then it gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now there are total 1 carbon, therefore it gives CO2. There are total number of oxygen in product. Just count the number of oxygen, number of hydrogen and number of carbon. In reactant also 1 carbon and product also 1 carbon. In product having 4 hydrogen, there are reactant having 4 hydrogen and product having only 2 hydrogen, therefore it is a 2 times. Then hydrogen completed 4 and 4, reactant also and product also. In just count number of oxygen, in product having total 4 oxygen, this is of 2 oxygen, another 2 oxygen, means there are total 4 oxygen. But in reactant having only 2 oxygen, therefore balance, it is a 2 times O2. It is a proper structure balance reaction. CH4 plus C2 times O2, then arrow, then it gives CO2 plus 2 times water molecules and energy when methane react with oxygen. Similar, we also discuss about the ethane. Now this is the reaction of ethane. Ethane having total 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen, but our product is CO2. To balance by this reaction by using 7 times O2, total number of oxygen 14, therefore in product having total 14 oxygen. 4 O2 means 8 plus 6 oxygen means total 14 oxygen, and number of hydrogen 12 in reactant also and product also. Count these, students, and number of carbon 4. This is a balanced reaction when ethane react combustion or in presence of air to give 4 times CO2 plus water and energy. And this aliphatic compound means alkane, alkene, alkynes burn in a non-sooty flame, and aromatic compound burn in a sooty flame. It is a burn in a non-sooty flame.